If you haven't entered for your chance to win the Civic, link is in the description, tommyfyeah.com. We got the Restore and Enjoy key tags for the next couple of days, and any order placed between now and Cyber Monday enters you for the 80s tool cart that we had two. We gave the one away to Nathan. We got another one. But we have a very special guest here today that you guys, I'm sure, can call it. Another R32 Gtr. And the owner.
I heard these things suck.
We'll see. No. Yeah, this thing is, what do you have, ball joint issue?
Yeah, it's doing one of the, like, hits bump.
Oh, really pulls you.
So you got to be on point the whole time, you know? So it's a solid 2,000 miles with this thing.
That's scary. Basically, you're in the area for what, a little while, a couple weeks?
Yeah, I'm just here for
We're trying to convince them to let us do our thing on this.
I mean, just show me something.
Yeah, let's see it. You know? So this is Bowman's car. This is the crown jewel. That's his HKS long block. Just waiting on some stuff from Jet Hot to get coated. And then, yeah, you're gonna need a couple more than those. And then that's Ben's car, actually. This is another customer car. We're waiting on couplers. We can't do the blue couplers. But this is pretty much, you know.
I respect that.
Yeah, the blue coupler. Yeah, it does matter. It does matter. So the Greddy kits come with these, and we do in-house powder coating. So we do powder coating in-house. We send the zinc out, fabrication, vapor blasting. So all this stuff is vapor blasted. Like you see all the aluminum stuff looking brand new. That's not new.
I didn't really know about zinc coating and vapor blasting and stuff until people started putting me onto you.
Yeah. Last night was crazy, that post you made.
Yeah.
There's
so many people.
Probably 500 comments.
So many people. Shout out to those people.
Yeah, for sure.
Exactly.
So we've been talking actually like a little bit here and there how we want to go about his car, and if he wants to drop it off, we can get pretty wild. I think you want to keep it mild though.
Yeah, I got too many stupid cars, so I want to try to find a balance.
These at like 450, 500, anywhere in there.
Yeah,
super fun.
That's kind of what I'm aiming for. You know, like I don't know. I'm gonna keep this car forever.
Yeah.
So there's time to go crazy. You know. So right now, I just want to make it look good, feel good, run good, drive good.
Make it home.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go over his car towards the end of the video. We're gonna show him around the shop. This car is like very close to done. This has the Doluk body kit and the So I was on a little kick like color matching valve covers for a while. That's why the silver one and the TH1. There's only 180 of these this color in existence. 2 of them are here, which is pretty crazy. Wow. I think.
No, I mean just driving by, I didn't know what to expect. And that's a ridiculous.
I think we have 19. That's 19 Skylines.
That's ridiculous.
So like this is like pretty stock. He has upgraded steel wheel turbos and some intercooler piping. But in this setup, we just tuned a car just like this, made 460 on E and like 405 or 410 on pump.
With just upgraded stocks?
Just upgraded stock, yeah. So we send the turbos out and they just do steel wheel, so they're not the ceramic.
So they don't blow up.
Yeah. Everyone thinks it's from boost, and that doesn't help, but it's really detonation that I think like sets them off. Delete the Hikis. I can show you all the little pieces, but basically this is what your bay will look like. And then we can do some little things, you know, get your car right. He came up now. We're going to throw some used ball joints in before the restoration, just because it's silly to like put brand new ones in, drive the car, and then have some like, I mean, it's winter here. If you drive it a little bit, they're going to be gross. Right. So we'll do that.
One of these.
Yeah. Need a battery tied on.
That's the first thing I noticed. I was like, well,
when we go, we'll go over the car towards the end of the video and we'll tear it apart, but then that's all stuff we'll improve. So it looks like an average GTR.
I mean, it made a 2,000-mile trip.
Yeah, that's good.
Like literally, when I picked up the car and I was telling people, they're like, "You're gonna do what?"
Yeah.
You sure about that? I was like, "Fuck it." You know?
When he told me, he's like, "I'm gonna pick it up in Houston. I'm gonna drive it to Florida, and then I'm gonna drive up north." I'm like, "Just call us when you need us. We'll come get you." But he made it, so I can't talk shit. That's good. It's good.
It did really good. I'm really stoked on it. It's like a good base.
Yeah, so. Yeah. That's all you need.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm gonna show him around, and then we'll talk about his car. Just took Herts to get some food. What do you think of the Colorado?
Oh man, I thought you were gonna ask me about the French toast.
The French toast is bang.
Yeah, no, this thing is dope, man. Spins the tires super easy. Like,
you wanna do a donut in it? I'm gonna shred one quick.
Yeah.
So second gear. It just whips.
Dude, it's so easy.
I haven't tried third, and I want to because it does something weird in second. So I guess I'm gonna try. So if something breaks, it's not your fault.
Okay.
It's my front control arms touch. So third works.
So try third.
Try third, yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna get out and film it.
I won't ask twice.
I don't have an e-brake, so it's rolling away. So we gotta let him use our little skid pad here. And I haven't seen the Colorado do anything from the outside. Look at all that smoke. It does a weird like tip-in issue. I'll see if you felt it. Do you feel the weird like it'll cut? I don't know. I think our MAF is too small.
It's almost like it's automatic. Like
It just
like,
and then stops. Yeah, you can just park in front of the dolly. So we're gonna go over his car. We'll go over his car now and see what's up with it. See what Josh has found, and see what he wants to do. Cause there's options. Check out your zinc.
Oh shit! Hey,
got a battery tied on.
Let me test it.
Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
Yeah, we're good.
So the key with this car, we're not touching anything exterior. We might do the hood for you because that just the clear's a little rough on it. But we're not touching the car. So if you see anything on the car that it's out of our hands, it's not. These cars are old.
Look. This is a 1989 Nissan, all right? I'll let you guys glorify Nissans all you want to.
No one gave a shit.
At the end of the day, they're, piles. And the previous owner of this car, when we got it, the ashtray was packed full of cigarettes.
Hell yeah. So you had a good-ass owner.
And you could see the steering wheel. He definitely was, So this thing has been through the ringer. These cars are known for rust and stuff.
For sure.
We're not going to peel the orange too far.
No.
We know we'll find
You're just trying to get a runner.
I just want to beat the shit out of
that you can follow close and get chipped all up, and
beat the shit out of
that's it. So this car is gonna get just. What did you find? You found some suspension issues?
Yeah. So both these blown. This.
Oh my god.
Very bad. This is with no leverage of the suspension. This.
Yeah, that one was ready to go.
This one was visibly worse than that, but they both made everything move.
So you swapped 4 ball joints. You swapped all 4.
But they didn't all need to be.
Oh, okay.
So I did the one tie rod, and then we did the tension rods. They're adjustable tains. They're older ones.
Yeah.
I just have to tow it a little bit.
Yeah.
But there's 0 plate in the front.
Oh, cool.
Sweet.
Cool. So we didn't do anything permanent because we're here trying to convince him. I think you're all but convinced.
It's our first date.
Yeah, this is exactly.
Yeah, it's our first date.
Exactly.
I don't fuck on the first date. I don't know about you.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Okay. I fuck on the first date, so
You guys are making it tough.
what we're trying to do here, wine and dine you here. I took you to breakfast,
French toast.
got you that French toast. You sure you're not fucking on the first date?
Hold on, let me.
So what we're gonna do, if we do this car, we're gonna do our normal package. You're getting some sponsor stuff.
Yeah, I got a couple good sponsors.
He's got some good stuff, and it won't be stuff that we normally use, but we leave that up to the customer. So if someone asks for our suggestion, we go with certain things. We have a certain formula. But if you show up here and you want a single turbo, I'm gonna try to talk you out of it, but I'm not gonna talk you out of it. But luckily, you're not doing that.
No.
You want to keep the essence.
Yeah, man.
I'm actually surprised when you said that. I was like, I thought you'd go single in a heartbeat.
It's too easy.
It's too easy.
It's too easy. I literally do that with everything.
Yeah, and everything ends up being the same.
Exactly. So and that's one thing I thought I wanted the same thing with everything, but I want a different driving experience with everything. So
what's your current stable?
A86, A86, S13, FC, FD, GS300.
Oh, that's a wild card. You got some secret ones you can't
Just
tell?
know that FC at Rob's place. That's
I
been there
have
forever.
another FC and another FC. I just wasn't trying to talk about non-running cars.
You got some secret ones?
I got a Cressida. Nobody knows about that one yet.
No, they do. You just outed yourself.
I feel like I'm missing something.
So you have drift. Those are drift boy cars.
Pretty much. So one of my Corollas, I want to build
Grip up.
oriented. This one, obviously, grip oriented.
Yeah.
But most everything is a drift car. You know.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to change it up a little bit.
So we're gonna, because you have the Panda Sports, I've already decided for you. We're keeping this an OG themed build.
Do it.
We're gonna hide shit. You're not gonna know there's any new parts, but some OG guy out there smoking a bunch of cigarettes bought Panda Sports brand new and threw them on this car, and I'd like to meet that guy.
Yeah,
you know?
he's probably dead.
Yeah, he probably is. They said lung cancer. He's probably a drinker too. That's usually how it goes out there.
Vapes now.
Yeah. So we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep the theme OG. You're gonna keep the Panda Sports.
Yep.
You're gonna refinish them, clean them
I'll
up.
make them a little wider. Just
Yeah.
for,
You might not even need to.
Honestly, I could.
What's the size? What size tire is it?
With wide,
255?
They're wide boys. This is
They're
like Z's spec almost.
They're 17s, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I run 275/40 on 17s
So I could
with a 9.5 12. So you probably, if you just go up in tire, you'll get your you'll get your
I
fill.
mean, the fitment's pretty there. I'm usually a dickhead, but
Yeah.
it's not too bad.
So this is your average state. If anyone ever wants to reference the beginning, it's here, right here. This is it. This is how his car showed up. Minus that. So colors, you've seen the wrinkle black, utilitarian. You've seen paint matched, which I think I was into it. I got it out of my system. I think it looks cool on a car like this.
Yeah.
On your gray,
That would be boring.
it'd be boring. The silver looks pretty cool. And then like HKS did their gunmetal, unfortunately for Bowman here, it's so close yet so far.
You should just paint the car.
He should paint the car the color, or he should change the covers to something else. And when I get my engine, because I bought one of these, I'm gonna change the cover. Yeah. I have to. So what would you think? What would you think on yours?
Color wise,
You want that? You want it OG pop a little bit, a little pop?
I'm really down to just let you.
Oh hell yeah! Because I have an idea already.
I believe in creative freedom.
I like that. I like that.
So, like I like if I give you creative freedom.
Should I tell you, or should it be a complete surprise?
It's up to you. It's up to you.
I don't know. Put in the comments if I should tell him or just like send him a picture one day and film his response where he says "fuck." Yeah. So you're shooting for reliability, low maintenance, power.
Good power.
How much power are you thinking?
450.
450.
I have plenty of 500
Right.
plus cars, and that's just the story that I don't need to go that way.
Right.
With this. Not yet, anyway.
Yeah.
Like I said, I want to have this for a long time. I just want something.
And that's on E.
Yeah.
That'll be easy.
Yeah.
That's cake.
Yeah. I don't need anything crazy. I genuinely want to drive this car around daily. I want to take it to canyons. I want to drive it as much as possible. So like, I don't need any crazy,
Yeah.
It's like what can
For
you do on the
sure.
street, Yeah.
So Pete's car is back, and it has the steel wheel turbos. It made 460. We've got a test. There was a fuel pressure issue, but Pete's GTR, I'll show her that now. Very simple setup. Steel wheel turbos, cams, and a Haltech, and some intercore piping. That's really all he has, right, Josh? And a fuel pump. I mean, like normal shit. Made 460 on E, and I think it was 410 on pump, which is about the max you can do on pump on the twins. You're not, with the boost, unless you had like some 25-30s, you can bump up. But I'll show him Pete's car, and maybe if we can fix that fuel pressure regulator, he can drive in and see what he thinks, because that car is that sounds like the route you would go. So we're driving Pete's car, swap the fuel pressure regulator, and I guess the issue is only when it gets warm. Feels to be running pretty good right now, but this is a 400 horsepower GTR. What do you think?
I love it. That's exactly what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Just nice, simple, sweet, scoots, gets out of its own way. That's
Perfect.
Yeah.
And then you can like shred back, or like this on Tail of the Dragon would be awesome.
Yeah.
Would be just absolutely awesome.
No, yeah, I don't need anything crazy. I'm not trying to build a Godzilla car.
They're all all Godzilla, whether you want it or not. There you go, on that. Just don't touch the screen. Check those CO,
Yeah,
huh?
for real.
I guess you didn't clip that somehow.
Oh, hey.
Oh, there's yours.
Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
She's ready.
Hell yeah. Yeah, no, this thing feels sweet.
This is it.
And that's just chill boost, too.
Yeah,
This thing wasn't even tapped.
that's not set to kill.
All right. What do you guys
Take
think?
a rip in yours.
What do you guys think?
See how the ball joints are?
Should I drop my car off here for a good time?
Hell yeah.
Should I leave my car here for a good time?
That's it. So I'm gonna take this thing for a ride, see how she feels, see if it's making the correct amount of boost, see if anyone's pulled the boost pill out. But outside, it's a little dirty, but it looks pretty good.
I haven't washed it yet. Fresh off the boat.
Fresh off, really? They didn't wash it either?
No, I haven't washed it yet.
That's sick. That's Japan dirt. All right, first impressions. We'll see how the big mods did.
Let's see.
You tell me when you notice it. 1 second. After this car, you gotta
I'll let the other guy go.
let the other one go.
Give it some space.
So Josh only did the tension rods, which are probably, honestly, the biggest issue with the car. The ball joints were bad, but the tension rods are what'll pull you all over the road.
Okay.
You know, just like an S13, they have the same setup. Oh yeah. Feel a lot better?
Yeah. Like before.
Was it like delayed almost?
So like you see this dip in the road?
Yeah,
that
it would yank you?
me.
Oh, okay.
That would just grab me. So like, oh yeah. Oh dude, this is great.
Infinitely better.
Seriously. And when you would hit the brakes,
It would
go
dive.
too.
Yep.
So like now we're good.
Yeah, that's tension rod shit.
Fuck yeah.
If those are bad, it'll drive real sketchy. But the ball joints are more of like a safety thing. You know what I mean? You break a ball joint, that fucking wheel's just flopping.
Right.
Tension rod you can wear out until there's no bushing left, and it just makes a bunch of noise and pulls you all over the road. So we got him right. I think this is a good place to end the video. We're just, you know, we're trying to finesse him into building his GTR.
If this video gets 10,000 thumbs up.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever gotten 10,000 thumbs up in my life.
10,000 thumbs
Yeah,
up.
let's see if we can get 10,000 thumbs up. We gotta make a banger thumbnail.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
We gotta figure something
Hands
out.
off?
Hands off might do it.
All right.
So anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm getting a new old car, and I haven't had it in a while, and I know you guys missed it. And the filmer's picking it up right now, and that video will drop, I think, Sunday. We're gonna take the weekend off for Thanksgiving. We'll drop that Sunday.
This is wonderful.
It's wonderful.
It's
It's like a brand new car from 1989.
It literally changed everything.
Makes it not sketchy.
Oh God, it feels so good.